pampalo, inihaw. Meron tayong kaldereta, dinuguan, fried rice, puto, big salmon. Meron tayong lechon doon. Meron tayong catering, birthday ni Maring Glenn. Maring Glenn, happy birthday. Thank you for ordering at Repax Catering. Yan. Mamaya, marami pa tayong luluto. Chacha. Let's go! Yun o. Oh. Caldereta, dinuguan, fried rice, sipu egg, baked salmon, pampano, inihaw, cordon bleu, pansit, at syempre, lechon.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Okay, this is
Okay.
Ikaw ang mag-start, ikaw ang birthday. Ayan, this is the one who's one.
Doon tayo window. Ito nga meron din yan.
Outdoor siya, Rad.
Outdoor sun, outdoor.
Willow picture. Mayroon sa atin. Outdoor.
Unahan siya makikitag tao.
Ano yun? Palabas na lang.
Ayun, ayun. Diyan na sila.
Kiss! Kiss! Kiss naman dyan!
Chick pa lang, chick. Chick to chick. Chick to chick lang, chick.
Ah! Ganda ng cake, oh.
Other side, other side. Hindi nakita. I'm dreaming of you.
Para sa likod siya. Kumanta na.
According to them. I got fitted.
Eh,
I will. Yeah, but I will earn your love. According to them, you will not be happy because I don't have any treasure. That I will give you as a gift. White love. The only commitment. The only treasure. More than gold. According to them, it would be a waste. But your love, I don't know.
ayos ah.
Picture din.
Rad, picture rin kita.
Oh, sige. Ayaw. Ito na lang. Kasama ko.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
After mag-blow. Asa mo cellphone? Ako cellphone ba? Ay, lang ako cellphone.
Yeah!